Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos on Pinterest, step by step, making it simple, easy, and beginner-friendly. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Once the app is open, you'll land on the home screen where all pins appear. Now look at the bottom center of the screen where you'll see a plus icon. This button is used to create new content on Pinterest. Tap on this plus icon to continue. After tapping the plus icon, you'll see multiple options on the screen. From these options, select Pin. This option allows you to upload photos to Pinterest. Once you tap on Pin, your mobile gallery will open automatically. From here, choose the photo or photos you want to upload on Pinterest. Select your desired images and proceed. After selecting your photos, you'll see different options. First, tap on the title field and add a suitable title for your pin. Make sure your title is clear and relevant to your photo. Next, move to the description section. Here, write a short and clear description about your photo. This helps your pin reach more people on Pinterest. Now you'll see the link option. Adding a link is totally optional. You can add it or skip it. If you have a website or product link, you can paste it here. After filling in all the details, go to the top right corner, tap on the next button to move forward. This step prepares your pin for publishing. Finally, look at the bottom right corner and tap on Create. As soon as you tap it, your photo will be uploaded successfully. Your pin is now live on Pinterest. And that's it. This is how you can easily upload photos on Pinterest. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you have any questions or want more Pinterest tutorials.